Assalamu alaikum everyone, and I wish you all are doing good. So this is the chapter which you have done before, but we are revising it again. So what you have to do, you have to open page number 1. We are going to study lesson 1.1, which is branches of science, major of major. Okay. So move on to page number 2. Science has bought great. Okay, so right now I'm not reading, I'm just explaining you all. So students, everyone know that in our practical life we get some problem issues. Okay, we humans get some problem issues, and so because of that the science has provided their solutions as well. For example, in the past there was no electricity, and people used to work in the daytime and they used to sleep early in the night, as there was no electricity and there was no fan, there was no light and no electrical appliances as well. But in if we see today, we see a lot of changes as compared to the past. Okay, now we have electricity, we have so many electrical appliances as well. Okay, so it means that science has brought us great progress and prosperity for the humans. And it has improved the way we are living. It has improved the lifestyle. Okay. And it allows us to work fast as well. So according to the area of study, for example, it means that according to the science, science is basically divided into 3 main branches. Scientists, those who study science, they have divided the science into 3 main branches. Okay. And what are the 3 main branches? Is biology, chemistry, and physics. In this unit, we are going to discuss these 3 branches of science, and these 3 branches are also further divided into some categories. As in grade 4, you have done this topic, so you should know that what is the chemistry, what is the physics, and what is the biology. So if we see this chemical, so it means that this is the study of chemistry. If we see chicks, it means the living organism is chicks. So this is a study of biology. If we see buildings, it is the study of physics. If we see water, so water is the study of chemistry. If we see plants, this is the study of biology. If we see cars, it is a study of physics. So students, moving to page number 3. The main branches of science have much overlapping with each other. Okay, first of all, that the study of living things was overlapping with chemistry or physics. So science is further divided into other categories as well. For example, biology is divided into 3 categories, chemistry is divided into other categories, and physics is divided into other categories. If we talk about branches of biology, so first of all, what is a biology? That in which biology is the study in which we study about living things, living organisms. Okay, they can be animals as well, they can be plants as well, they can be other microorganisms as well. So this is the study of biology, and biology is divided into 3 categories. What are these 3 categories? It's botany, microbiology, and zoology. Biology is basically divided into 3 categories, which is botany, microbiology, and zoology. What is botany? So botany is the branch of biology, we all know. And in this branch, in this study, we study of the all types of plants. Botany is the study of plants, in which we study about the plants, that they, how they are produced, how they are dead, and what is how do we get energy from them, and what are the benefits of them, what are how they can be harmful for us. So all the different plants from which we study about plants is the study of botany. And in this sub branch, various diseases that may harm the plants are also studied. It means that how the plants can be harmed, through which harmful diseases it can have. We study about them as well. Okay. So moving to page number 4. Botany is helping us in producing good quality crops. Beta, if we study that the about biology, so sorry, botany, so it is the study of plants, it is related to plants. So we study about the good quality as well, that how can we produce plants in a good way, and if they are damaged, so how can we recover them. This was the study of botany. What is zoology? Zoology is basically concerned with the study of animals. And scientists in this field, it means scientists who study about zoology, are called zoologists. Scientists, those who study about zoology, they are called zoologists. And different details related to animals are studied, including their habitat. It means that in zoology, zoologists study about the different kind of animals, where they live, what they eat, and how do they reproduce. And veterinary physicians, who are veterinary physicians? They are the doctors who treat sick animals, who check at the animals. They are called veterinary physicians. And studying zoology has enabled us, has helped us to save many animals such as panda from becoming extinct from our animals, as there is a less quantity of pandas living right now in our earth. So due to zoology, zoology is helping us in many ways. For example, it helped us to save the life of panda, as they were becoming less, as their life was getting less in quantity. What is microbiology? In microbiology, those organisms are studied which can only be seen with a microscope. Beta, other than living things, there are some living organisms. It means other than plants, humans, and animals, there are some living things which are too small, which are so small and little, and we cannot see them with our naked eyes. We cannot see them with the eyes, but we need a microscope to see them. And they are called microorganisms. For example, cells, bacteria, viruses, protozoa, they all are the microorganisms. And the one, those uh, who study microbiology, they are called microbiologists. Okay. Those scientists who study about microbiology, they are called microbiologists. And then they use their information to help in manufacturing medicines. So students, microorganisms are used for creating medicines as well. Okay.